Hello everyone, myself Parshita. I am from MIT College, Mysore. In the subject System Simulation and Modeling, I am going to explain evolution of passenger flow lines in international airport terminals. First, let us know about what is airport terminal. An airport terminal is a building at an airport where passengers transfer between ground transportation and the facilities that allow them to board and live from aircraft. The terminal is made up of several gates where planes park and passenger went to board. In large terminals, these gates areas may be divided into section known as concourse, filled with dining, shopping and lounge option as well as restroom and other facilities. Within the terminal, passenger purchase tickets, transfer their luggage and go through security. The buildings that provide access to the airplane via gates are typically called concourses. However, the terms terminal and concourse are sometimes used interchangeably depending on the configuration of the airport. Next, abstract. Airport terminal offer wide varieties of function for both departing and arriving passengers. We all know about airport terminal which offer variety of function for both arriving and departing passenger. The major concern of airport manager is how best to offer hospitality to passenger. The manager of the airport are concerned mainly on how best can they offer hospitality to the passenger. Given multiple function, comprehensive evaluation of airport passenger terminals is crucial for planning, designing, managing, and airport performance. This study focuses on passenger flow lines inside international terminal facilities. The proposed framework can help airport planners and managers design and operate terminals in manners that are favorable from perspective of passengers. Now we apply the proposed index to the data collected in various airport terminals in the world. Next, introduction. Airport passenger terminals offer a wide varieties of function. They facilitate connections between transportation modes and between flights, control the movements of air passengers. Means, as we all know, the airport terminals create the first impression on arriving passenger about the country or a state. Thus, how to best offer hospitality to passenger, including visitor from abroad, is pressing issue for the airport managers. Universal design is now being required in public facilities such as airports. Additionally, international airports play an important role as a gateway to the country. Next, literature review. And the ACI, the World Airport Traffic Report, is one of the summarized by Airports Council International, that is ACI. Every year, ACI conducts a survey of macro indices of airport in the world. It also releases world ranking of the airports based on the findings Airport Council International 2008. The indices in this report, however, are mainly composed of macroscopic indicators, example, number of passengers, amount of baggage, and number of aircraft movements, and the factors from passenger perspective are insufficiently incorporated. ACI also organizes Airport Service Quality ASQ research. This research is called the World Leader in Airport Service Benchmarking by charging fees to survey participants in Airport Council International 2010. Next, on-site survey of passenger flow lines at airport terminals. A survey of passenger flow lines was conducted to collect physical indices in restricted areas of airport terminal. Data were collected at 13 departure and 12 terminals. This study is not considered transfer between terminals because our aim did not include evaluation of transit passenger perspective. Thus, the unit for a survey is not airport but the terminal. Here in this diagram it shows investigation zone in each airport terminal. Here the table 1 is a departure and table 2 is a arrival. List the surveyed airport terminals. Here a departure terminal is consider also from check-in counter to the gate, and the arrival terminal is form of gate to the arrival lobby. Airport evaluation based on multidimensional scaling. Outline of the analysis. This section applies an analytical method based on theory of multidimensional scaling to the airport terminal evaluation. This method allows for evaluation for each airport terminal as a multidimensional space and can help airport managers systematize relationship among airport terminals and items recognized as important by experts. In this study, information about airport terminal was categorized into three elements: evaluation items, service points, and expert recognized items. Evaluation items are criteria for evaluating passenger flow in airport terminal. This element consists of two big items, six mid-sized items, and 17 small items. The weighted values for evaluation items and served service points of airport terminals deviation values presented in the previous sections are applied. Next, conclusion. As a conclusion, this study focuses on passenger flow lines in airport terminal, and as proposed, a comprehensive evaluation method of passenger flow lines is based on some physical indices of airport terminals. By this method, we could systematically show various terminal function and passenger perspectives. We examined the service level of passenger flow lines with total service scores of each airport and visualized relationship among evaluation items, experts, and airport systematically. The empirical analysis demonstrated the significance of introducing a new evaluation items such as ease of mobility aid for differentiable and shift change to next trip. Thank you.